Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial privacy update for WhatsApp Web that puts you in control of your online presence. If you value keeping your last seen status under wraps while using WhatsApp on your computer, you're in the right place. This is a recent update, so let's get started. Here's how you can hide your last seen status on WhatsApp Web. 1. First, fire up WhatsApp Web on your PC and ensure you're logged in. 2. Once you're in, direct your attention to the gear icon, usually located on the left side of the screen. Click it to open the settings menu. 3. Next, navigate to the privacy option. This is where you'll find all the controls for your privacy settings. 4. Then, select Last Seen and Online. Here, you can customize who gets to see when you were last active and whether you're currently online. 5. To completely hide your last seen status, choose Nobody. This ensures that no one can see when you were last online using WhatsApp Web. With these steps, you've successfully hidden your last seen status on WhatsApp Web. Now, you can use WhatsApp on your computer with greater privacy, preventing others from knowing when you were last active. This feature is excellent if you prefer maintaining a low profile online. Remember, privacy is paramount, and having control over the information you share is always a plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your favorite apps. See you in the next video.